Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to access sidebar in Opera GX if it's hidden. So let's get started. So if you have mistakenly hidden your Opera GX sidebar, and now if you want to access it again, so to do that what you can do is just simply follow my steps. So what you can do is just simply right click on your screen, and after right clicking on it, now you just have to tap on settings, and after tapping on settings from here you just have to scroll all the way down, and over here you will find this option which is sidebar. So just in your sidebar you will find manage sidebar, just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now here you will find your sidebar settings. So from here you can just simply scroll down, and here you will find this option which is show sidebar. So just tap on show sidebar and that will be displayed again. So that's it guys, it is how to access Opera GX sidebar if it's hidden. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.